How to check battery wattage information while charging. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an app where you can see all of your charging information. You can find this app called Electron on Google Play Store. So let's see how you can use the app. So first, just open the app and it will greet you with a hello. So just tap on next and it will tell you about the app, and you just have to tap on OK. So first you will have to calibrate your device, and for that you need to discharge your charger. So just plug it out, and now you can just tap on calibrate, and it will take a while to calibrate and give you all of the information about your battery. Now tap on done, and here you will see all of your charging information. So right now I'm not charging, so I'm just going to plug in my charger. So if I do it, now as you can see, the status is charging and the charging type is AC, and it will show me all of the voltage, temperature and everything. So it's a really minimalistic and clean app where you can see all of your charging information. So here you can see the charging speed as well. It's slowly increasing, and once you do that you can see the average, and you can see your average amp and everything. So if you, it will also show you if your charger is faulty or if you are having a slow charge. So you can just see around this app and see all of your battery information right here. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you guys on the next video.